Alright, so I finally got the AirPods 3 and I'm so excited. Let's unbox this. Alright, so we're gonna do the ear test. So it looks like, and I'm gonna stick in my ear. Wow, it feels way better than the AirPods Pro 2. Alright, here is the AirPods 3 versus the AirPods Pro 2. You open it up. As you can see, the tips are different. This one has a little bit more curved for an ergonomic tip versus this one being different. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Peace, guys.